Welcome, PSU employees. I am Rahul Kumar from PSU Employees Homebuilt. Today, we are starting a meaningful journey together, a journey called Purpose and Clarity. This series is specially created for PSU employees who enjoy job stability and regular income, yet often feel uncertain about long-term financial direction. In this journey, we will move step by step, understanding money, mindset, and responsibility in a simple and practical way. This is not about fear. This is not about quick money. This is about clarity. So let's begin. Purpose and clarity. Let's begin. Part 1. Stability and comfort. If you are a PSU employee, you already have something very valuable: stability. Your salary arrives on time. Your job feels secure. Your life feels predictable. You can plan your expenses. You can pay your EMIs. You can take care of your family. This creates comfort, real comfort. And because of this comfort, many PSU employees believe that salary alone is enough. Part 2. Why salary feels sufficient. A fixed monthly income relaxes the mind. When money comes regularly, stress reduces. Urgency disappears. Planning gets postponed. This is natural. But comfort has a hidden effect. It delays important financial decisions. Not because the job is bad, but because the pressure feels low. Part 3. Life's big expenses. Here is a truth we rarely discuss. Life's biggest expenses are not monthly. They come once, but they come heavy. Think about children's higher education, marriage responsibilities, medical emergencies, life after retirement. These expenses do not ask whether you have a salary. They ask whether you have assets. A salary is designed for monthly living. It is not designed for lifetime responsibilities. Part 4. When salary stops. Every salary has an end date. Retirement is not optional. It is guaranteed. But responsibilities do not retire. Family needs continue. Medical expenses increase. Daily living costs remain. This is the moment where people realize the difference between income and wealth. Part 5. What wealth really means. Wealth does not mean earning more salary. Wealth means building assets. Assets are things that support your life even when you are not working. Examples include investments, property, long-term savings, passive income sources. Assets provide stability beyond salary, peace of mind, independence. This is why wealth matters. Part 6. The PSU Mindset Challenge. Many PSU employees delay wealth creation because the job feels permanent, income feels secure, risk feels unnecessary. This comfort slowly becomes a trap, not because of wrong choices, but because of delayed choices. Conclusion. The core message. Let's end day 1 with a simple truth. Salary provides comfort, but long-term obligations demand assets. If you are a PSU employee, you already have stability. Now the responsibility is to convert that stability into long-term wealth. In the next video, we will discuss day 2, the illusion of job security, a mindset that silently delays financial growth. To continue this journey with us, visit www.psuemployees.com. Thank you for being part of Purpose and Clarity.